X is a steamer and a motherfucking gun. Need about 2 or 3 niggas, but not really, cause I kinda feel safe walking straight with my 9 milli. Keep my head.
Hello guys, it's most certainly been a long time, but I was on vacation and I got a girlfriend, my guys. We matched on Tinder, guys. Look. I plan on building a computer with her for our first date. It's gonna be exciting, my fellow dogs. I will even bring some of the boys along too, because you can't have a date without the boys. Bro, what, you got a song for real for real?
It's hot, bro. It's called The Attack of the Crows, bro.
Rick Ross, play that shit, my guy.
Turn that gay shit off.
Bro, WTF.
I make shits better than this, on God, for real for real.
Fuck you, whore, you slept with the whole school.
Guys, calm down before I cancel date night with the boys.
Bro, why you called us here?
Bro, I wasn't even able to shave my puss cause you dragged me over here.
My dogs, we are going to build a computer for my girlfriend. But we need to go to the store to get the parts first, my dogs.
I bet.
Let's go so I can hurry on home and shave the puss.
Bro, your mom be hot like my ball sweat.
Dude, what, for real?
Bro, I would pipe your mom.
Guys, we got to hurry, Micro Center is closing soon.
You guys have fun and maybe we will have fun later, alright, wink wink.
Bro, your mom is weird.
Bro, your mom is down bad for the boss, what can I say?
AMD for the win, my dogs. The fuck?
You want drugs with that or what?
My dog, do you have the latest graphics cards on deck?
Yeah, but they hella expensive, my dog.
Don't care, need this PC for my girlfriend. Money's just isn't a thing when it comes to my girl dog.
That will be like 2,000 or some shit.
Where's everyone? It's been like 2 hours.
Guys, I just released my album. It's called Rick Ross is Gonna Go in Your Mom's. With some pom-poms. And eating some tom-toms.
Damn, for real.
On God.
Guys, are you ready to go home and get inside something nice, wink wink?
Bro, your mom is horny, on God, on God.
I know, right the fuck.
Bro, we home finally. Your mom has been giving me the fuck me eyes. Like the whole ride home, my guy.
Alright guys, I will make dinner tonight and I will be on the menu for you guys, wink wink.
Bro, for real, WTF.
Alright, let's speedrun this PC build.
Guys, I put a Belle Delphine Gamer Girl sticker on it.
Looking dope, my fellow dog.
Best date ever. Better than the bathroom date I had with that one trucker.
Best speedrun, gonna give it 5 moms out of 10 moms. Guys, I pranked you guys, I put bomb in PC, lol.
Fuck this shit.
Worst date ever.